Welcome to 9300 Overseas Highway, a fisherman's paradise. Hi, I'm Lisa, and I want to welcome you to the Florida Keys, a fisherman's paradise. Today we are here at 9300 Overseas Highway in Marathon, Florida, the heart of the Florida Keys. And we're standing at the bait shack on this 5-acre oceanfront property. Now, this property is a fisherman's dream. You've got access to your private boat marina, private boat ramp, your bait shack full of all your fishing needs, and the ocean right there for instant access to deep water fishing adventures, bonefish, tarpon, anything your heart can desire in our beautiful Florida Keys. As you watch this video, I'd like to hear your fish stories. Drop below in the comments the best catch you've ever had. And today I would like to show you around the bait shack.
Fun fact, as the owners were building this property, they decided to name the whole estate Bait Shack Estate after this building that encompasses all things fishing.
Here in the Florida Keys, we have world-class fishing.
Fly directly into Marathon, enter your private estate, drive in, and be on your boat and out on your fishing adventure in less than 30 minutes. These turquoise Florida Keys waters are waiting for you. From the bait shack, you can grab a paddleboard or a kayak and shoot right out into the ocean for more exploration. Paddling over the flats in the Florida Keys gives you a bird's eye view of stingrays, sharks, crabs, fish, all kinds of beauty. Upon returning from all your fishing, boating, paddleboarding experiences, jump into the refreshing pool to cool off. Make sure to see our pool tour of this 195,000 gallon pool that wraps around the home, featuring waterfalls, water slides, and so much more. Enjoy cooling off at your swim-up bar as you unwind from a day out on the ocean. the sun is setting on your perfect fishing day. The lights on this property are beautiful in the evening, a perfect way to spend time relaxing and enjoying the Florida Keys and all the memories you've made out on the water.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video portraying the bait shack, the marina, the instant ocean access we have here at 9300 Overseas Highway. If you'd like to see more about beautiful Florida Keys real estate, hit subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.
If you would like to receive a full color brochure on this property, click below in the comments section on the baitshackestate.com link and fill in the Let's Connect section and I'll send it on over. Stay tuned for the next video showing another incredible fishing estate here in Marathon, Florida.